Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, guess where I am? I'm in a quarantine facility. It's not really something to be really happy about, but I'm just glad I made it home in the Philippines safely. I had a good flight. It wasn't really bad at all. I just didn't expect the people from my layover country papuntang Pinas na it was really a lot in the plane. But anyway, guys, nakauwi talaga ako from UK, and I'd like to share to you guys the step-by-step process that I've been through. Basically, this video is for overseas Filipino workers. But first of all, before we start, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And put down some comments if you have some questions. Okay, so let's cut to the chase and let's begin with the process. First of all, you can see this process sa site ng DFA. They are on Facebook. You can open their Facebook account. Ito siya yung mga step-by-step process. So, basically, this is for OFWs. This was last updated on February 1, 2021. And until now, it's the same thing that they have been using until March. So, first of all, from the point of origin, so kung saan ka nanggaling na bansa, you have to register sa E-CIF to secure a unique QR code. So ito, when you go to e-cif.redcross, so it will say, Mabuhay, welcome to the ECIF. So you have to register. Just fill in the personal information, your name, nationality, birthday, age, civil status, and your email and the phone number. But if you don't have a cell phone number, then you can put the number of your next of kin, like your family. So anyone na pwedeng makontak in times of your quarantine to contact for the result and the updates and whatever. Current address, so this one I've used the address in the country of origin, which is UK, while the permanent address, I've used the address dito sa province sa Philippines. Emergency contact, so I put my mother there. Employment information, travel history, when was the last time you were in the Philippines? That is one of the questions. So, yan, makita mo sila lahat. What's the purpose of your travel? So, nandito yan sila. So, are you an overseas Filipino worker? Yes or no, and exposure history, clinical information if you have any symptoms. Basically, if you have symptoms, if you will put yes there because you've got symptoms, I'm sure you will have a problem with traveling. So it's your own responsibility. If you have symptoms, you should stay at home. You should not travel. And this one's identification is I've used a passport. I uploaded it here, and then that's it. Once you've done that, it will generate a QR code like this one. I thought is pagdating mo ng NAIA, you will just show this or anything, but to be honest, I never used this. So, okay, that's the first step. So, the next step, number 2, Bureau of Quarantine collects the accomplished health declaration form to all passengers. If you are asking about the declaration form, so binibigay ito sa inyo while you're still on the plane. So this is a yellow little paper na if you fill in ninyo, just your personal information, just the if you've got symptoms, what is the country of origin, that's it. So pagdating ninyo ng NAIA, you have to prepare this form. Dapat na-fill mo na siya sa plane pa lang. Kasi pagdating mo, very organized ang NAIA. Pipila kayo to give this declaration form, and then they will check your temperature, and that's it. After submitting this declaration form and na-check ang inyong temperature, pupunta kayo sa isang briefing area na meron naman silang ibibigay na white form. This is the OWA Project Care form. It's still the same thing, just your personal information, passport number, saan ka galing na bansa. That's it. Wala masyadong mga complicated questions. And then, i-brief kayo. They've told us na ang aming swab will be on the 5th day. And yung aming arrival is the day 0. So, basically, it's the 6th day pa ng pagdating namin ang pagpapaswab. After you fill in this OWA Project Care form, the white paper, you will go and get your baggage. And pagkuha nyo po ng baggage, pupunta naman kayo dito sa isang area na fina-facilitate ng OWA. Doon kayo, pipila na naman kayo ulit doon to submit this form. So after that, pumila na kami sa bus. It is one seat apart sa bus and ihahatid kami sa hotel quarantine facility. Pagdating sa hotel, we are here now in Park Inn by Radisson sa North EDSA. Before going inside the hotel, meron pang short briefing na ibibigay ang house parent. So, siya yung aming tatawagan in case we need anything. Siya magbibigay ng policy during quarantine. And then, after that, ihatid kami ng mga Coast Guard one by one sa aming room. Plus, they are giving this packed lunch. OWA is very accommodating. And I never thought they would be this generous for OFWs. It's really a good thing in the Philippines na talagang as an overseas Filipino worker, meron tayong benefit na nakukuha sa OWA. It's really nice. It's really a good thing.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Medyo may jet lag pa, nakatulog ako. Hindi ko natapos yung paggawa ng video. But anyway, if you have any questions, just comment down below. Don't forget to share my video, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I will keep on uploading more vlogs regarding my quarantine here in Park Inn by Radisson. I'm gonna give you a hotel tour as well. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.